Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making different articles and decorating our aquarium with them. The details and links of the things we have used are mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started. To make our first article, let's take a tea. It is easily available in the hardware stores and glue it up with pebbles, stone and sand of your choice. This would look like a tunnel when complete. I've taken a few flat sandstones and covered them with pebbles to add more details. I got these shells from my last visit to a beach and decided to use it in my aquarium. With the help of a needle, we can make holes in the shell. Make sure to put a thick cloth beneath to avoid cracking. Tie the two shells together with a thin wire and glue an artificial pearl to it, thus completing our oyster. Let's start by accessorizing the aquarium. The link for this light is mentioned in the description box below, and we've also added LED lights to change the color of lights. Before adding the pebbles, make sure to add some water to avoid scratches on the glass. We will now start adding our articles to the aquarium. Let's begin by arranging the cobbles to form a tiny wall, followed by these cute little pots that I got from the market. You do not have to add all the articles in one setting. You can give different themes to your aquarium by adding different articles with combination of sand and pebbles. I've added a water filter, air pump, lights, and since I made this in winter, I also had to put in a water heater to maintain the temperature of water. Time to add life to our aquarium. You can also arrange the theme of your aqua world according to the fishes you have. Mine are African cichlids and they enjoy hiding and playing around with these articles. So go crazy with creativity and give your aquarium a new budget friendly look.